Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to dive into something that I think a lot of us can relate to. The challenges of living on your own, going to college, and just trying to figure out this whole young adult thing. It's not always as glamorous as it looks like on social media, right? There are days when the weight of responsibilities can feel overwhelming, and moments when I found myself sinking into those depressive slumps. But here's the thing, I've learned some valuable lessons along the way. In this video, I'll be sharing how I've been taking care of myself, finding my way back to a brighter mindset, and figuring out what it means to truly thrive in this phase of my life. It's not easy and I'm still a work in progress, but I hope that sharing my experiences, I can inspire some of you guys to keep pushing through too. So let's get into it. Today is a big day because I have to clean my bedroom, but it's not just an ordinary cleanup day, it is a depression room cleanup. I have not really taken care of my room. I've let it just clutter up, and although I try my best to be clean and neat all the time, I simply couldn't this week. So I'm going to show you guys the whole entire process of getting my room back together. The hardest thing I'm struggling with is just putting everything back to its place and cleaning up. So I'm gonna get started with the bed. This is how much clutter I've been living in. I have been sleeping with my box cutter on my bed. I didn't even know that I left it on my bed. I've been looking for it and I finally found it. It was in my sheets. That's pretty terrifying. You know what, today I think we're gonna wash the sheets. Are y'all okay? I'm sorry. Now it's time to get these into the washer. But my favorite thing to do right now is to listen to Christmas music. I know it's only October and it's not even Halloween yet, but listening to Christmas music puts me in such a good mood. If you guys can't tell, I'm in my bathroom right now and I have so much I need to clean up. I'll show you guys.
Winter is here. Blue jays are watching the children's play. On this bright and wonderful Christmas day, it's so cold outside, we're staying in here by the fireside. I think
I finally finished cleaning my bathroom. It took maybe, I think like 50 minutes, but I actually ended up doing a deep cleanse because I was like, why not? If I am going to clean my whole entire apartment, I might as well clean it really good. Let me turn off the vent. I know the toilet is not that cute looking. I do my best. I have this cute fall thing. I have this little basket up here that has like bathroom freshener, extra toilet paper. Obviously, it's a little dirty right now because I'm doing my final touches, but I cleaned the counter, cleaned this, got rid of some stuff. And then this is what I really want to show you guys. My favorite part of my apartment is my bathroom. I'm so excited about this. This right here is Snow Fairy by Lush. If you guys are not familiar with Lush, I love that place, but it is kind of pricey. This is their Christmas scent. Like my skincare, I have some vitamins, and then just like
a lot of stuff. It's 5:55 p.m. and I have barely finished, but I still have a lot of things to do, so we gotta do it, guys. Living in an apartment, it kind of sucks because you have to walk all the way to the dumpster, so you have to kind of like plan what you want to throw out and when you should throw them out. Thankfully, there's nobody out today because I'm vlogging. Oh my god, there's literally people in their car and I think they just saw me vlog. Ta-da! We took out the trash. I don't think my roommates are home. I think they left for the football game. So I guess I have the whole entire living room to myself today. Today we are going to make Korean food. Bedroom. I am so excited. There's little things that I probably still need to work on, but I feel pretty pleased and I feel really productive now. But I wanted to show you guys my nightstand because I think it's so cute. This right here is the Bath and Body Works candle that I got. It's called Chocolate Covered Orange. It's super yummy. I love this scent.
The snow is falling down. The storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
I forgot to film an outro, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any questions or any video requests, please leave it down below. And I'm wishing you guys the best day ever, and make sure to take care of yourselves. Bye guys.